Everyone, I decided to do a cooking video for you guys, and this is inspired by Suga's spicy braised chicken from their Voyage show in season 4 episode 5 I think. Basically Suga made this awesome air spicy braised chicken in the video, and if I'm not wrong this was when he was in New Zealand, so I managed to find the specific sauce that he actually used for this particular recipe, and let me tell you, this was such an amazing scrumptious chicken ever. So this is the recipe, and I'll put the link down below where I got it from, but basically this one you can get it done within 30 minutes, and honestly it is so affordable, it is so easy. All you need is chicken, carrots, potatoes, garlic, ginger, onion, spicy sauce, and possibly pepper as well. The first thing I would do is actually boil water and then pour in 2 cups worth into a medium-sized pot, and then put in about 6-7 drumsticks. Make sure you cut some of the slices so it's easier to cook. And then once I've done putting those chicken in, I decided to cover the chicken up with more hot water. The reason why I decided to boil the water is so that it just makes the cooking much more faster rather than waiting for the water to boil in the pot itself. So you can see in this particular clip, I just cover as much, you just estimate how much, and honestly it was a good amount of water. And then I cut up 3 potatoes and I just dice it up into a good chunk because later it would just go a little bit meshy anyway. Pour that in, and then I also pour in some carrots. I chop up about 2 carrots, and you can do whatever size you want, but I put a decent size because I want to, just bite it when at the end of cooking it, And then 1 large onion as well, dice it up as well, like big chunky size, put that in, and then put in about 5 garlic cloves. I love my garlic, so I didn't mind having quite a bit of this. And then I also add some ginger as well, and I grated this freshly just so that it just have a stronger aroma taste to it as well. So about 1 teaspoon of the ginger, add that in, and also after that just mix everything up. And before I added the sauce, I decided to actually cover this up for 15 minutes, let the chicken all simmer up, and then put in about 3/4 of this particular spicy sauce for braised chicken. I mean, you can pour the whole thing, but I decided to pour about 3/4, not sure why, but I feel like that was a good amount. I just estimated and it was amazing. So I poured that in, mix everything up, making sure that it's cover all the chicken up, and then instead of covering it back up with the lid, I decided to boil this for another 15 minutes, or like the recipe say, you can boil until the sauce is thick, but I felt that after boiling for another 15 minutes it gives me such a good stew texture. And this is how it looks like. Honestly guys, it's such a tender chicken. It gives you like a good amount of spice. It tasted so amazing. Can't believe how simple this recipe was. Definitely agree, it was such an amazing chicken. That's all I can say, and I paired up with zucchini. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.